Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. Today in this video I will continue the Pinterest affiliate marketing guide and focus how we can promote Clickbank products with Pinterest affiliate marketing. It will be a part 2. This is a long, almost 40 minutes guide. I will go over Pinterest best niches for Clickbank. If you didn't watch yet the part 1, I recommend you to start from there. And of course you can subscribe. Okay, so the first step, we will go to Analytics, then to Trends. You see the region is United States. If you want to promote to other region, of course you can change it. I will keep it United States. We can see at the top the seasonal trend, but in Clickbank, I want to focus on yearly trend. So I will go to Filters and click on Top Yearly Trends. If we go over the trends, we see that on Pinterest, there are some trends that are not suitable for Clickbank. Clickbank is focusing on info product or services. So for example, the trend nails is not suitable for Clickbank. Also the trends around the dinner ideas or recipes, it's not for Clickbank. Most of the yearly trends that we see in this table is not for Clickbank. Not the nails ID, not the recipes, the dresses, the outfits. You see in this table that there is no even one trend around the make money online niche. I will go over the monthly trends. Most of the time, the trends in the monthly trends are around a holiday, like Christmas, Thanksgiving. But again, we can't find monthly trends around the niches that we have in Clickbank. We can go over interest and find more ideas for Pinterest niches. There is the animals, there is the home decor, the travel, the wedding, the DIY. What we can learn from this, that if we try to promote make money online products that we get from Clickbank and just create pins and add them to Pinterest, I think that in the long term, you won't get a lot of commissions. Of course, we can search by keywords, like affiliate marketing. And we can see that people search for affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing for beginners, and also the demographic, the gender, and the age. So it gives us a clue that we can promote this kind of product, but we need to find a way that our pins will attract and stand out from all the other pins that we see around. Most of the pins look the same, and we can see that most of the pins that we have now when we type affiliate marketing are static pins, but we can filter by videos. And now we can see movement, like this one, or animations. This is the best way to stand out, like this one. We can learn from that even if we take niches like affiliate marketing, that there are less people in Pinterest that they look for that niche, we can manage to promote Clickbank offers. We can get more information from the Ads Manager. We will click on Create Campaign, and we can continue research the trends. For example, if we click nails, we see that there are more than 5 million searches every month. But for example, affiliate marketing on Pinterest, even though that it's not 5 million searches every month, it still have a lot of searches. So if we find on Clickbank info product around this subject, we can try to promote it in Pinterest. We can continue the research in the opposite direction. We will go to Clickbank, then search for category or niche, find the product, and then continue the searches inside Pinterest in order to find the size of the audience. I will take, for example, the home and garden. I will sort it by gravity. One of the best known niches is the woodworking. This is a famous offer in Clickbank. The gravity is very high. The commission is high. They also have a kind of a recurring commission. In the affiliate page, we can see the offers, the structure of the commissions, the upsells, and you can sign up and get access for a lot of affiliate resources that you can use. When we type woodworking in the Ads Manager area, we see that people are looking for woodworking projects. So again, it can give us a clue. You can find in Pinterest audience for the woodworking niche. And we can try to promote this product, for example. Another niche in Clickbank that we can see in this category are products around pets. There is the dog training niche. We can see more offers like a dog and puppy training, offers around cats, dog food secrets, and more. In the Ads Manager, we see that dogs is a very good niche in Pinterest. People are searching for dog house, and the dog training niche have a lot of searches. There is the dog training tips, dog training videos, and more. Also, if we search for cats, we see that cats have more than 5 million searches every month. If we search for cats at Clickbank, we see this offer, for example, and there is a high potential that we will succeed to promote this product in Pinterest. If we search for cats in Pinterest, we can see a lot of images of cats, and we can see pins around the cat training niche. For example, this pin. If we have Pinterest account with followers, we can go to Analytics and then click on the Audience Insight. In the Audience Insight page, we will click on All Pinterest Users, and now we can see more statistics about the all users at Pinterest. We can look at the categories and the subcategories. We can look at the age and the gender. Most of the users at Pinterest are females, and we can see the range of the age. We will focus on the section of categories and interest. We will look at each category and the top interest, like art and photography. We can see the percentage of the interest in the audience. And then we can go to Clickbank and search for photography. We will sort by gravity and look for offers that we can promote in Clickbank. When I search for photography, I don't see any proper offer. If I click on the photography interest, I can see the pins. And we see that most of the pins are not for products. But even though that we didn't find the photography, the top interest in that category at Clickbank, if we look at drawing, we can find guides and we can learn what the user is looking for, like how to draw a portrait, how to draw exactly what you see. And in Clickbank, if we search for drawing, there are offers like this one with a high gravity, and this is a great product to promote. Another great niche in Pinterest is the home decor. There are room decor, home decor style, dining room decor. If I click on room decor, I can find a lot of examples of decorations, and we can find pins like this one, or Amazon products. In Clickbank, we don't have a lot of offers in that niche, but we have some offers like build your own shipping container home or tiny house made easy. They are both suitable for Pinterest. In the DIY niche, we already saw the woodworking. One of the best and famous niche at Pinterest and Clickbank is around the food and drinks and the health. We can see the interest around special diet or healthy recipes, and in the health category, we see the diet and the nutrition. And of course, at Clickbank, we have all the keto diet with high gravity, high commission, and high recurring payment. This is the reason that you can find at YouTube a lot of guides that explain how you can do affiliate marketing on Pinterest and give an example of the keto diet. There is a high demand at Pinterest, and there are a lot of offers that we can promote. If we click on diet, we see that most of the pins at the boards are promoting products. Another famous niche at Pinterest is parenting and the interest of parenting advice. When we see advice, we know that someone is looking for a solution. If we click on it, we will have a lot of pins that promoting products. In Clickbank, we can find offers like this one. This is around the parents niche and around the education. And there is a high gravity and a high recurring commission. The last niche that I want to show you is the gardening. We don't have a lot of offers at Clickbank, but you can try to promote this offer. This offer talks about the backyard, so it can be very relevant for Pinterest. That's all for today's video. I recommend you to watch the first part, the full Pinterest affiliate marketing guide that we have at the channel, and of course you can subscribe to the channel. Thanks.